Okay, it's been a very long time since I've been here. I went here in June 2021. That was a year ago. But it is the HVAC Kevin. This HVAC Kevin. So I thought I would go here. Again, I haven't been here in like a long time. The last time I went here was when it was 100 degrees outside. And I filmed everything. It was like June 17th, 2021 or something. And there are a couple of new units here, which may be 2022 units. Oh man, it's been so long. It's only been like just over a year and a few months, but it feels like a long time. So, you probably recognize these. Wow, that's a very faded Rainbird 5000 plus. Alright, here's this carrier. LG compressor, it's been running. Actually, maybe it hasn't, I don't know. I thought this place would be closed, but it might be open. This one's not been running. It's about 86 out here. I haven't been, who ripped off all the insulation on these? Why is this, all the units have been like that. I haven't been filming, like, pretty much all summer. I haven't really filmed anything. Because I've been struggling with some anxiety and stuff, and I've been busy with school, and it's just been kind of rough, but I wanted to go here again. Not been running. 2007 Linux. All the units are still here back behind this building. This building here was the second video on my channel ever. I don't think anything's been running back here. This one feels like it has. Yeah, this carrier has a long time ago though. And then, so there was those. It's nice to see those again. Here's the three Carrier Tech 2000s. I don't remember seeing sprinklers here. Ooh, a Nelson spray head. I don't know if I've ever seen one of those. Here's this Carrier Tech 2000. This one's not been running. This one like never runs. Or maybe it has been, I don't know. The line feels a little bit cool. Ooh, that's got like oil on it. Not been running. And this one. This one I saw running in 13-degree weather before, and that's been running. These are from 2001. Yep, you probably remember this HVAC Kevin here. I've been to here several times. I've made several videos of this place. There's the first new unit that I've seen. Remember the two trains? Ooh, that one just... It just shut off, actually. But the two... Remember the two trains? The two trains, the commercial 3-phase one, the 6-ton and the 4-ton or whatever, one of them got replaced with a Carrier Performance. It just shut off. That's very cold and sweaty. Carrier. And here's this new one. Running at a pretty high speed. Alright. Let's see. Good, those Tech 2000s are all still there. Alright, I'll start with this one. It's definitely been running. And then these. There's a 2020 Comfort. It's already getting faded. $19.99. It's not been running. Not been running. These three Comforts. Here's the 2019 one. That one's been running. This one has too, I think. Alright, so there's these 5. Thought more would be running. It's like 86. Here's this one. Replaced the 2010 Carrier Comfort. That's already getting faded. Noisy helicopter blades. This is the first time I've ever seen that Mitsubishi off. Yeah. I've never seen that unit off before. Here's these 2 Carrier Performances. Not been running. These rarely run. Just thought I would revisit and show everything again. See what got replaced. Nope. Well, might have been running. It's hard to tell. Ooh, awesome. That one just started up. Nice. That one's not running. This one just started up. It's always been shaky like that. I remember I found that screw on the ground next to the unit once in like 2019, and I set it there, and it's been there ever since. Logo recently fell off of it. Nice. Little Tech 2000 just started up. I believe it was a 2.5 ton from 2003. So yep, that one's running. That one always runs. I think it cools like a server room. Then that one just came on. Okay, I'm going to... They're building something back there. I'm going to go and look at this new... I think it's easier to go this way. It's sometimes muddy though. Oh yeah, it's really muddy. Alright, look at this. Brand new unit here. Let me see how old it is. Oh, 2021. It's cold. That's like a high SEER one. This is a 17 SEER, wow. Nice. Brand new unit here. And then here's this 6-ton train that's still there. 1997, yep. I don't think that one's been running. 1997 6-ton 3-phase train. But yeah, the other train got replaced with a Carrier Performance. This is a really nice unit. And then can't stick around for long. I'm afraid of getting busted. I've gotten caught here so many times. That sprinkler is like unburied. Here's the Train XR. That's kind of cold. And then the Comfortmaker. LG compressor. Sorry if I'm being quick. I'm just afraid of getting busted. That hadn't been running. Oh, one of the... Oh, two of the Carrier Tech 2000s got replaced. This one and the silencer system one. Here's a new Comfortmaker. This is just like my grandparents' new Tempstar. 2022. My first 2022 unit right here. Nice. Not been running. Yeah. Brand new 2022 Comfortmaker air conditioner. And here's this 1998 Tech 2000, 1.5 ton, not been running. Yeah. My first 2022 unit I've seen all year. Oh, that one got dented. Here's another one. That one's been running. Yeah, that's been running. This replaced the 1998 silencer system. This is also from 2022, and it's a 3.5 ton. 2 brand new 2022 Comfortmaker units. Here's this one that I've never seen this one running before. Not been running. Here's this one. Oop, shut off. That was cold and sweaty. This one's not been running. Got a shutdown of that one. It's got an LG compressor. So yep. 3 new units since I've been here last. A new 2021 Carrier Performance and 2 new 2022 Comfortmaker units. Nice. I'm gonna get some This one doesn't have a logo, but it's probably also a Comfortmaker. Nice. 2 brand new 2022 units. It's September. And it's about time I found a 2022 unit. I was one of the last ones to find one. But yep, 2 brand new 2022 Comfortmakers. 3 units have gotten replaced since I've last been here a year ago or so. Nice. Finally found some brand new units from this year. So many freaking security cameras here. Never noticed them before. I'm gonna get a picture of this new Carrier Performance too. A little angry sounding. It's probably a 2-stage or multiple stage unit. Yeah, I'm guessing it's probably a 2-stage. This is like Smyrtle 450's unit. Oh, now it's sweating. It must have just started up. Nice. 3 brand new units. Carrier Performance, that replaced a Train, and Comfortmakers, that replaced Tech 2000s. Here's the one that started up for me. This 2020 Comfort's still on. Those are all still off, and this one turned on. Wow, that's vibrating the ground. All right. That one's still on. Oh, and this one came back on. I think that has a rotary compressor. That's really nice sounding. Oh, this one came on. Nice. I tried for a startup with this once, but I didn't get it. That's some really hot air. Am I cold and sweaty? Always, the compressors always sounded angry. Nice. Alright. And let's see if any of these turned on. Yep, this one did. Gotta start with this one once. $2012 5-ton. Nice sounding. Ooh. Nice shutdown. That was a funny shutdown. Kind of sounded like a ream. I've heard a lot of reams that sounded like that before. Cool. And none of those are on. But yep, that was a revisit to this HVAC heaven with some units running, a couple startups and shutdowns, and 3 new units. Alright, out. And remember that weird Dectron thingy that I didn't know what it was? That got replaced too. Now there's a new contraption here. And it's making a noise. Oh, never mind, that's this exhaust fan. That air smells really weird. There's a coil inside of it. Rosenberg. I'm not sure what this is. Still not sure what this thing is. Some refrigeration component or something. There's the coil. Alright, and then the 2017 Carrier Comforts. They're behind that fence. They put up a fence around them. So can't film those, but yep. Now out.